Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and dispute a charge on Cash App. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple steps you can go ahead and do. So firstly, if if it is a scam or it was a scam, you should first attempt to contact and ask the other person for a refund. However, if that doesn't work, then open Cash App and then go to your activity. Then open your Cash App, go to your activity tab and then find the specific payment you want to dispute. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the transaction details. Select report an issue or a similar option like something else or dispute a payment, and choose the option that best describes your problem and follow the on-screen instructions. When submitting the dispute, provide a clear and comprehensive explanation of what happened, and Cash App will investigate the claim. This process can take up to 90 days, though many are resolved sooner. You will be notified of the outcome. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.